Hello everybody, I just wanted to do an unboxing video of the shipment I received that I had purchased from Tarantula Canada. So I'm about to undo this parcel. They were a day late coming thanks to Canada Post, and then the mailman didn't want to give me my parcel because he was not pulling up in a truck, so I figured he just had regular mail and put it in the mailbox, but it was actually a notice slip he put in the mailbox to come pick up my parcel from the post office. So then I had to go all the way to the post office and through everything. Meanwhile, I waited outside since 7 a.m. in the morning. To make a long story short, I now have these guys. I want to get them out of the box, seeing as they sat longer in the box. And let's do this unboxing video. This I'm going to put on both of my YouTube channels, so it's going to be on the 6 Constrictors, and it's going to be on Mr. Tarantula James at YouTube. And what I'm going to do actually before I pull these out of the boxes, I got each separate little, they're just baby tarantulas, so they're all going to go in these setups. I have Pure Light as substrate in them. I heard the Deadly Tarantula girl say in one of her videos that vermiculite makes the best substrate for tarantulas because it doesn't mold as fast as other stuff does, like potting soil. So I've used vermiculite in all of these setups. There's a bunch of them because I have 5 OBTs that I ordered today. And I'm going to open them up and I'm going to spray them all with a little bit of mist because I don't want to spray the spiders directly once they get into them. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to spray them all. Give them a little bit of mist each because they were in transit for the past couple days. So I want to make sure they have a little bit of moisture so they can drink if they want to. And the people at Tarantula Canada, Amanda, she's been great and very understanding, helping me work through this problem with Canada Post, which was very nice on her part. So shout outs to Tarantula Canada. They are very awesome to deal with. If you ever want a tarantula, I would go through them. And oh yeah, I brought the big bag of vermiculite. You can get this from anywhere. Most garden centers have them. In each hardware store, so most of them have a gardening section, so you just go into the gardening section and you can check it out. Either vermiculite, it's the same stuff you incubate gecko eggs on, also vermiculite or Pure Light, but she specifically, the Deadly Tarantula girl, said that vermiculite is the substrate to use, so I am going to use that. Okay, so each one of these are going to get a spray. There we go. And that's done. They are all sprayed, so the spiders are ready to go into them. Now let's check this box out and check the spiders out inside. Oh, I still have to do one further cut to get this open. I imagine it's right in the middle. There we go, we got this one open. And inside, we have the styrofoam lid with the heat bag pack attached to the top. Very nice. Keep them comfortable while they're in transit. Very nice. I'm going to put this lid down here. And there we go. We have paper towels, some packing inside there. We'll take that out. And we have 6 containers. I ordered 5 OBT, so there must be a freebie inside here, which is very cool. If there is, that's awesome. P Marinus, I think that's an OBT. Yep, that is an OBT. P Marinus, that's an OBT. So that's 2 OBTs. P Marinus, that's another OBT. P Marinus, another OBT. P Marinus, another OBT. That there. And the 6th one. Oh, this one's I think it's a Union Island, which they're very cool. Those are very awesome. It says TP Union IS, which I'm pretty sure is Union Island Tarantula. That's awesome. So it's a freebie. It's, if y'all can make that out, it does look like T.P Union IS would be island, right? So that is awesome. Thank you, Tarantula Canada. Thanks, Amanda. I appreciate that. So now I'm going to put the box down, and we're going to go ahead and open these up. Let's go first with the freebie. And then the rest will be all OBTs. Let's see if they come running out at me. We'll try and get it. Oh, this one is not alive. But that's okay. Sometimes it happens, right? It's not moving around at all. Its legs are not moving. It's lifeless. I tried to move its body around, but it happens. Maybe it got too hot or too cold. I don't even know, but it happens. That's okay. Let's check out the rest. That one's not alive. So now on to the OBTs. Please be alive, please. I really wanted OBTs for a long time now. Oh, this one's alive. Oh my god, it's an OBT and it's alive. It's crawling everywhere. It's all over my hand. Nice. Nothing better than a live OBT. That is really nice. Wow, tiny little guys, eh? These little slings. Well, I got 4 more OBTs to open up, and I want to get them out of there because they've been in there for a while, so I'm going to put this OBT in here. Oh, it came on the floor. Sorry, I'm just trying to get it in there. Okay, I got it in there. Okay, it's in there. We got the OBT in its spot. Second OBT. Oh, I can't believe the poor Union Island one didn't survive, though. That would have been a really nice one to have. And here's the second OBT. Oh, this one's not looking too good either. This one has also died in transit. Okay, so that's one OBT and one Union Island one that did not make it. And things like this just happen, right? There's nothing really we can do about it. I'm just happy I got one live OBT. Like that's really good, right? I got a live OBT right here. Awesome. Okay, let's check out another one. There's still 3 left to go through. Please be alive. Please be alive. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Come on, everybody. Cross your fingers and toes. Okay, so I'm going to just grab this by a little bit of paper. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's another dead OBT. This one's also dead. I have to keep all of them so I could send Amanda a picture of the 3 ones that are no longer with us, so she'll see that those ones didn't make it. I got 1 live one so far, and 4 non-living ones. Okay, this is another one, so there's 2 left now. 2 OBT containers left. Please be alive. Come on, man. Give me some kind of luck here. Give me some luck, please. Throw this one out. The weather has changed so drastically too, so I'm not surprised that there are a couple that are dead. Like, oh, this one's alive. Nice. And we have a live OBT. Yeah, this one's moving around. I'm going to get it in its container, though, so that way I can get on to the last one. Okay, so now we got 2 live OBTs. Let's hope the very last one is alive. Okay, opening up the last one. Oh, this one is alive too, so we got 3 OBTs that are alive. Awesome. Oh, look, he crawled right out of the lid too. You can tell that one's alive for sure, right? Nice. 3 OBTs. I'm so happy with that. And again, there are some casualties. There are 4 that are not with us anymore, but such is life, right? Sometimes things happen and they don't make it, right? That's just how it goes, right? So, I'm going to put the last one into this one. Let's get it going. There we go. I'm the proud owner of 3 OBTs. Yeah, I got 3 OBTs right here. I'm going to put these ones over here. I'm going to have to take a picture of the 4 ones over here that did not make it through the travel over here from Quebec. And I live in Scarborough. And again, that's not their fault. Things like this, they just tend to happen, right? So, and she's very understanding too, so she'll understand and she'll make up for it. It's really no problem at all, right? I love working with Tarantula Canada, and they're very easy to deal with, so, you know, like I said, shit happens. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. I'm going to end it here, and I will put it on my channel so everybody can see, alright? Hope everybody likes the video. Stay tuned, I'll have more videos in the near future, and I am enjoying my walk with tarantulas. Every day is more exciting, and I'm learning so much as each day unfolds, right? There's always more to learn, so that is very awesome. Okay, take care everyone. Bye for now.